Mommy, good morning. So guys, ngayon si Mommy, gumagawa siya ng hukeway, Mommy, ha? Bagareli rotli. Ayan ang anak ko. Ayan, tignan nyo naman, oh. Ina-open niya lahat ng mga cabinets. Ivan! Ivan, chal. Go, anak. Guys, nakatulog na si baby Ivan. Ayan, ang sarap-sarap ng tulog niya. So, ito yung ghee natin. Mommy, ave tamaro, chorizo, profit male. Philippines every year.
Yes, they were saying from now on every year we will go to Philippines. I said walang pera.
Hi guys, good morning. So kagabi sobrang maulan and hindi kami nakapunta dun sa sinasabi ko sa inyo na pupuntahan namin. Pero ngayon medyo gumanda yung panahon. So ayan, yung mga tao nagsipunta na sa farm para magtrabaho. Si Sonal Masi maaga siyang pumunta dito para makapagtrabaho sa farm. Kasi nadelay yung farm works nila ng 2 araw dahil nga maulan dito. Sa Philippines ba guys, kamusta yung weather ngayon? Dito sa India kasi ganito yung weather. Ayan no, medyo maaraw ang dito sa India, ang panahon, kaya nakapag-sampay-sampay na tayo ng mga damit. And dito, meron tayong mga mango na maliliit. So, ilalagay yata yan sa farm dahil may mga mango na namatay sa farm, so papalit. And pasok tayo sa loob guys, yung anak ko, nakabihis na siya, pinaliguan ko na, pinakain na. So, ngayon, ililibot siya ng biyanan ko. Ayan ang anak ko. Ayan, tignan nyo naman, oh. Ina-open niya lahat ng mga cabinets. Ivan! Ivan, chal. Go, anak. Yay! Yay! So, naglalakad siya. Ala! Nadi-distract ka na naman. You're distracted again. Go walk. Jo, Ba is waiting for you. Go walk. Chal. Kutro jowa jawu chetay. Ayan. Nagpapabuhat na naman. Jaja, mandir jajo tay. Aujo, bye-bye. Jaja, bye-bye ka ras. Go and get your cycle, anak. You go and walk. Go. Ja, you go with Lola in temple. Mandir, Joanna, mandir. Jaja, chalo, anay, medyo. Chal, medyo. Bye-bye. Sumasama sa akin. Chalo, anyay. Medyo. Jome. Autare. Chalo. Matamad. Oh. Come. Ori papre, very good. Anyay to. Papabuhat. Come. Chal, go to mommy. Come here. I'll get you. Tara, I'll carry you. You don't want to go? Chal, I'll carry you, chal. Chala, Ivan. I'll carry you, chal. Say good morning to everyone. Good morning. Hi. Where are we going? So, nagpapabuhat siya sa akin, guys. Pinaliguan ko na, pinakain ko na. So, ngayon, maglalaro na kami. Pero bibigay ko siya sa lola niya kasi kailangan ko pa mag-asikaso dito sa bahay. So, for today, ginawa na natin yung ghee. And then, probably magluluto tayo ng mamra. No mamra? Ha, no mamra. Ha. Child, you go down. Mom. Gusto niya dumede, pero hindi ko kasi pinapadede, guys. Now, dede. So, ayan. Hindi ko kasi siya pwedeng padedein, guys. Kasi kapag pinadede ko siya ngayon, hindi na siya kakain later ng lunch. So, everyday nire-restrict natin and nililimit lang natin yung dede niya. Yung sa akin, breastfeeding. I cannot breastfeed you, anak. No breastfeeding. If I do breastfeeding on you, you'll not eat lunch anymore. Go. Hi. Say hi, guys. Hi, guys. Say hi to them. Hi. Uy, naantok. Inaantok pala. That's why. Kamukha ko, no? Parang kamukha ko nga si Ivan. Parang walang halong Indiano. You want to be Filipino or Indian? You look like Filipino. You're Filipina? Opo, mami. Yes, mami. So, ayun guys, ililibot ko lang siya. And then, I'll update you later. Nagluluto na ngayon si Turo Samasi. And maagang dumating si Turo Samasi, guys. Kasi, pupunta nga daw siya ng bangko. So, usually, alas 10 siya dumarating. Ngayon, alas 9 siya dumating. Para alas 11 siya matapos. 2 oras kasi usually yung pagluluto. So, ayan. And ang dami kong sinasagutan ng mga inquiries. And kung gusto nyo magpabook ng December, guys, or September, almost fully book na. So, magpabook na kayo. Baka maunahan kayo sa date na gusto nyo doon sa Milane's Private Resort, guys. Ang daming mga inquiries. And nag-a-reply ako ngayon. Tinutulungan ko yung mga staff. So, ayun. Flying kiss mo sila. We'll update you later. Mommy, good morning. તમે શું કરો છો? રોટલી વઘારવાનું એમ? આ શું છે? રાતેની રોટલી. બરાબર. So guys, ngayon si Mommy, gumagawa siya ng, who keway Mommy ah? Bagareli rotli. So, for today, gagawa si Mommy ng snacks ni Jano or almusal niya, which is bagareli rotli. So, you have to cut the rotli into small pieces or durugin mo siyang ganyan. Ayan. And then after that, ilulutuin mo siya together with the green chili, masala, chili powder, turmeric powder, and then oil. Papakita ko sa inyo yung process niyan. And right over here, si Masi, nagluto na siya ng ito. Meron na tayo ditong isang rotlo para kay Mommy, mga rotli or bakri para sa amin. And right over here, ayan, meron tayong ulam na vegetable. And ito naman yung, siya Masi, dal? Khichdi. Khichdi yung kakainin natin for today. And dito is yung ghee. So, yan yung napuno natin na malay, kung tawagin nila, or ghee. And dito naman ay ang ating buttermilk. Ayan, guys. Ang ating buttermilk. Guys, nakatulog na si Baby Ivan. Ayan, ang sarap-sarap ng tulog niya. So, puntahan natin si Mommy doon. Magluluto siya ng bagareli rotli for Jano. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung process ng pagluluto ng bagareli rotli. So, ayan. Mommy, banana siya bagareli rotli. Let's go, guys. Tingnan natin yung whole process. So, ayan, guys, nilagyan ni Mommy ng dana dito or coriander leaves. And meron na siyang hinati dito na green chili. So, ito yung ghee natin. Mommy, awe tamaro, chorizo, profit male. Kaya mo, Masi? Awe chen, eh. Chorizo male. Eh? Kela? 700 रुपया किलो. जो मासी जाहिरात कर जो 700 रुपया किलो के हमें 10 किलो चाहिए बोलो. जो चालू कर दी तो बिजनेस है ना. 4-5 किलो એટલે બિઝનેસ ચાલુ કરી દીધો માસી. So, ayan guys, nagnenegosyo na yung benan ko. So, itong ghee na to guys, binibenta niya ng 700 per kilo. So, 500 pesos per kilo yan. So, sinasabi niya kay Masi na kung gustong may bumili, ayan, ang dami naming ghee dito sa bahay. So, every 15 days kasi nagluluto kami ng ganito guys. So, yung milk namin every day nasa mga mami, pra दूध खिलानो आवे दररोज 2 liter like खिलानो छे 140 rupees. So yung milk namin every day is 140 rupees. So yung 140 rupees na yun nasa mga 100 pesos every day yung gatas namin kasi gumagawa kami ng chai. So ayan, yung taba ng gatas, ayan yan, yung ghee yan. So, binibenta ni Mami. So, diba? Mindset ba? Mindset. So, ayan ngayon, magluluto si Mami ng bagareli rotli. So, mag-aano muna siya nitong oil. Papainitin niya. Tapos, maglalagay siya nitong rye or mustard seeds. So, masarap magluto si Mami. Kaya lang, syempre, binabantayan niya si Ivan. And ako, nagtatrabaho ako. Kaya, kumuha na rin kami ng cook namin. Which is si Turo Samasi. Kaya madalang na lang magluto si Mami. Mami, abadane yada sa cooking channel, Tamara. Daronchka banawat te ave na banawas. Amuk-amuk banawas mami eh. So, mamimiss niyo si mami talaga kasi wala nang cooking channel. Every time kasi nagko-cooking channel tayo, di ba? Cooking session tayo. Pero this time, may cook na tayo, so madalang na lang siya. So, pag pumuputok-putok ng ganyan yung mustard seeds, guys, lagyan natin ng cumin seeds. Ang daming mga masala. Yan ito, di mawawala yung green chili na yan. Yan, hayaan mo munang maluto and maging kulay brown-brown yung cumin seeds, guys. So, kapag ganyan na yung kulay, guys, ilagay na natin itong green chili. And then, lagyan natin ng kaunting tubig. Ayan. Para ma-absorb nung rotli. Ayan. Tapos, guys, lalagyan na natin ng masala. So, ito yung mga masala na kakailanganin nyo sa paggawa nito. Meron tayo ditong salt. Ayan. After that, maglagay tayo ng sugar. Sugar. And then, lagyan natin ng chili powder. Ayan. Kung gusto mo ng maanghang, lagyan mo ng marami. Ayan. Turmeric powder. Cumin powder. And then, kapag okay na ang ating masala, pag okay na yan, ilalagay na natin itong rotli natin. So, ayan, di ba? Yan yung magbibigay ng lasa doon sa bagarili rotli. Hayaan mo munang medyo maluto para hindi masyadong plain yung lasa or hindi mo masyadong malasahan yung mga masala. Kasi yung rotli na to, sisipin niya yan. O, ayan. Tapos, i-mix mo lang siya all together and na-absorb na niya yung masala. So, ayun guys. That's it for our bagarili rotli. So, ganyan lang siya kadali. So, yan na yung almusal nila dito sa India. Pero ako hindi ko masyadong bet yan guys. And naman din kasi ako masyadong nag-aalmusal tuwing morning. Pero si Jano, favorite niya yan together with the milk na may kasamang Bournvita. So, ayun guys. After nito, maliligo na ako and ang dami ko pang aayusan, i-edit and mga inquiries. Chalo!
Hello guys! Kemcho?
So many people are asking for you, Milan. Why are you doing Kemcho? This is Milan's vlog.
Okay.
So, lagi niyong hinahanap si Milan, diba? Where is Milan? Finally, I have time with Milan because he is busy studying.
When we go to Philippines, we go like 1.5 months. So all the things left over in India, we need to finish as soon as we go back to India.
Naipon yung trabaho namin dito sa India.
When we go to Philippines, it's the same. First 20 days of our Philippines visit go into fixing everything, all the work. Same here also. When we go back to India, we have to fix all the stuff, working.
Ang dami niyang inasikaso. First of all, he's studying. So, ayan, finish niya muna yung course niya. So, hindi niyo siya masyadong nakikita sa mga vlogs natin. And at the same time, Papa is very busy sa farm. So, medyo na-late na sila because you stayed in Philippines for 1.5 months and Papa stayed in Philippines for 15 days. The plowing and everything is late. So, after
plowing,
yes.
And then there is so many grass in the farm.
So, kailangan nilang linisin yun, guys. So, kailangan nilang ayusin. And they started yung new farming. What is the new farming we started? Banana. So,
8,000 plant.
How much?
12. 8,000 tissue and 4,000 F1. Total 12,000.
12,000 na banana yung tinanim nila, guys. Kaya hindi mo talaga sila mahahagilap sa bahay. And today, I want to ask Milan kasi diba usually yung family they are telling the stuff to Milan. So I want to ask Milan what mommy and papa and Jano think about Philippines because you're the son, right? So they must be thinking that what is the vacation, like how is it good, fun, what are the things they notice. So Milan will tell you without filter because they will do filter on me They will say they will not say the one that will make me,
So first of all, they like the Philippines so much. Even the first experience, like entry was not that good.
The traffic, 6 hours traffic.
6 hour traffic, they are stranded in airport without having SIM card without having any Philippine peso.
No money at all.
No contact.
Because, you know, you tell them what happened.
The raining, remember the raining,
Manila
Manila got stuck. There was a water flow in NLEX. So you cannot go inside Manila, you cannot go outside Manila. That's exactly the day they arrived. We stuck in the traffic, which was 25 kilometers long. And then they stuck in the airport.
We are sitting there for 6 hours.
And then we go back, and next day we come back to pick them up, and we tell them to go into hotel room, and we paid by GCash.
So nakaka-stress yun. Milan is very stressed that time. He cannot even sleep in the evening because they first come in the Philippines and they don't have money, they don't have phone, they don't have SIM card. Imagine.
And then we picked them up, and then they said, no, it's okay, it's normal, it's happened because of raining, what can you do, something like that.
It's not in our hands. Or else.
But after that, they enjoyed so much that they're telling me that now every year we will go to Philippines. Every single year we will go to Philippines. They like it so much. Like all the resort vibe, and then the traveling in the beach, and especially for my father and mother and Janu, the snorkeling activity in Philippines, so clean. It's first time for them to see inside the water. There in India, there is no beach that is that clean.
Hindi ko nakita yung binan ko nag-swimming dito sa India, guys. Never. Ever.
Even I saw them first time swimming in swimming pool. But they enjoy the beach so much. Even though it was rainy season, and then we did not go to Boracay, Palawan, because 15 days only, and we had so much work going on due to our new villa. So we go to Porto Galera
and Zambales.
But Zambales was a rainy day, so we couldn't go.
A good hotel, a good Airbnb.
And then Porto Galera, we did snorkeling and all. So good. So good. They are amazed with the Philippines nature.
That's Philippines only.
That's you cannot have sweat. In India, it's very minor. The people are there, especially, oh look, the girls are working everywhere, unlike India. I look, it's very clean. I look, the people are always saying hi. In India, nobody tell you, always laughing, smiling, saying hi. I said no, Filipino people are very hospitable, right? Friendly. That's why.
Happiest people.
And then they are saying, oh, everybody is following traffic rule. Nobody, no car is like this. No car is honking.
What about my family? What is their reaction?
So good. They are very hospitable, and then they are very welcoming. They did welcome so good that we cannot match when they will go back to India.
When we will visit India, we cannot match that.
They will go to India. When they will go to India,
it's very good experience for them that we have to bring them in Philippines every year.
Yes, I was saying from now on, every year we will go to Philippines. I said, walang pera.
Because it's a little bit expensive talaga, guys. Especially all 5 of us will go. Ay, nako. Your 500,000 will be finished. So, ayun guys, that's the real experience of Filipino in Philippines. So, that's what they told us. If you have any questions or meron kayong gustong pa-experience sa kanila next time, suggestions kung ano yung gagawin natin, you comment down below so we will take note of it. So, ayan guys. I'll see you all tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye-bye.